When your phone key is connected with a Tesla, all you need to do is press the brake and now your Tesla is ready to drive. In order to preserve the minimalistic interior of the Tesla, your gear shifters are located behind the right side of your steering wheel. To drive forward, push down on the drive handle all the way until you see the letter D come up on your screen. To reverse, pull up on the drive handle all the way until you see the letter R come up on your screen. To put the car in neutral, all you have to do is push down the drive handle halfway until you see the letter N come up on your screen. To put the car in park, all you need to do is press the button that is located at the tip of the drive handle. A letter P is going to pop up on your screen saying that your Tesla is now parked. And lastly, if you want to put your e-brake on, push down on the parking button for 3 seconds until you see the e-brake icon come up on your center screen. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more informative content like this in the future. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down in the comment section. You can also reach out to me in Instagram and Facebook direct messaging as TeslaPeg. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.